Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Alright, this is the FLIGHTLINE OV-10 Bronco out here at Avon Park Aero Modelers Field. We're going to take her up. I just last night reprogrammed the AR631 with AS3X Plus. So we're going to go over those settings afterwards. Timer set for 7 minutes because she will fly for days. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Going to fly in my high rates. I got two 4500 4S's in there. Let me get turned around here. Now, if you're looking for some speed demon rocket ship, then you don't even need to watch this video, because this is not a fast plane. This is a nice scale flyer. I don't have the missiles or bombs on it right now. She's just bone stock. I haven't even given this plane a clear coat, which I need to. Alrighty, here we go. Kind of windy, but that's all right.
Gear up.
Yeah, wind is not being all that friendly to it right now. There's a lot of control surface there for that wind to hit. Hey, Fritz! I don't think I'm... Now, it has two very large rudders. So you don't need much in the way of rudder. I mean, it's very effective. Take it out. Like I say, that's about as fast as you're going to get right there.
Down.
All right.
Take off flaps. Time remaining 5 minutes. Flaps up.
I guess I'm not going to land. Almost too windy to fly. All right, I'm out of the power now, gliding.
Landing flaps.
All right. Let's get her turned around.
Take off flap. Flaps up.
Well, it's losing his eyesight. You don't get over that. He couldn't fly. He got his eyesight.
Go down here and take off again. All right, gonna do takeoff flaps just because I can.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Take it up. Nah, she won't snap roll. I tried it.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Yeah, that wind is really rocking her around.
Flaps up.
You can see She does not have a ballistic roll rate. That was pure aileron roll, no rudder involved. Yeah, wind is not being nice today.
Gear down.
All right. Do a touch and go.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
Start slowing my roll down a little bit. Whoa.
Flaps up.
Now you know I can't leave it like that. There. That's much better. All right, we still got 2 minutes left on a 7-minute timer, but let's go ahead and end the flight because we got other planes to fly.
Motor off.
Take it back to the bench and get your battery report. All right, before we do the actual battery report, let's go over the rates. Now, the rates that I just flew in, ailerons are 100% with 30% expo. Elevator, 100%, 30% expo. Rudders, however, are 80% with 50% expo because they're so big. And that's why I got them down to 80. They're very, very, very effective, and I probably could even reduce them even more. All right. Flap settings, I didn't really notice any ballooning or rising with the flap settings, but let me show you what they are. Flaps up are negative 100%, obviously no mix. Takeoff flaps are a negative 10%, or negative 50%, sorry, with a 10%,
Land takeoff flaps.
hold on, with a 10% down elevator. Landing are a positive 50% with a 25% down elevator with a 2% or 2 second deployment on there. All right, forward programming. Let's go over our AS3X settings. Now, the gains that I flew in,
AS3X mode.
I had that entire flight with manual mode. I didn't have AS3X turned on, so it probably would have flew a whole lot better. And I kept adjusting the dial on the gains thinking, well, man, the wind's really eating her up. So, well, I'll tell you what they were, even though I didn't use them. I was in flight mode 3, manual mode the entire time. Well, she's a stable plane. All right, roll 40%, pitch 40%, yaw 40%. Not that I used it. Priority from the default 140 down to 120. Not that I used it. And I didn't change anything with the other settings. Left the stop lock. No, I did change the stop lock to 40 instead of 35. Raised it from 35 to 40. Didn't do anything with the release rate. So I didn't even have the gyro turned on. Well, she's a very stable plane without the gyro. So probably would have flew just that much better. So you know what? We still got 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Let's go out there and fly it with a gyro. And you already know the settings, so let's just go see how that actually works. All right.
Manual mode. AS3X mode.
AS3X mode. We'll check the we'll check the battery after we try it out. And actually have the gyro turned on this time. Right, left, up, down. Right, left.
Take off flaps. Flaps up. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh yeah. Took a lot of that wobble out. That's a very measurable increase in performance as far as feeling, the overused phrase of being locked in. Yeah, I like that.
Gear down. Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute. Flaps up.
Well, hold on. Don't like it, go around. Won't be in the grass, but that's okay. She can handle the grass. The biggest thing though is you go off in that grass, don't stop. Keep it going.
Motor off.
All right, now let's go back to pitch. Huh? Yeah, we can do it here. All right. Precious wants me to just stay here, and I said, okay. Because you want mama happy. Still has 16 seconds left on a 7-minute timer, so more than enough juice, enough flight time. Now, I did add a little piece of plastic to the end of the connection point to give more for that little pin to grab a hold of because it kept popping open. You gotta remember, this whole thing will flex when you land and take off, so I've had my hatch come off, not fly off, but be undone or be sitting up when I land a couple of times. So takes 2 batteries, 2 decent sized 4S's. Okay. These are 4500 Sokokin 4S's with a 50C discharge. Very important that whenever you do dual batteries that they're the exact same battery. That one had 53%. And this one 47%, but the UBEC might have been attached to this one. So honestly, you can set your timer for 8 minutes and fly the way you want. Okay, maybe even 10 minutes with throttle management, bring it back at 20%. So, well, there you go, folks. That is the FLIGHTLINE OV-10 Bronco. Lights, flaps, suspension gear. She does have an entire missile pod package, but I didn't bring it. She's not a rocket ship anyways, and that drag wouldn't have been good for today. But good flying plane. God bless y'all. God is good. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then A10s with props, according to James at Motion RC, the OV-10 Bronco. Bye, y'all.